Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 10 minus 10 times 10 minus 10. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 10 minus 10 gives us 0. And again here we have 10 minus 10. So 0 times 0 is just 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before, if we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 10 times 10 gives us 100. So we have 10 minus 100 minus 10. Now we have to do this subtraction. 10 minus 100 gives us negative 90. So negative 90 minus 10, which equals negative 100. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 100.